Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is all about describing a memorable photo. So this is the cue card which I've chosen for speaking this video, and if you're planning to do IELTS basically, so you need to basically speak fluently in front of your like examiner. So that's why I upload videos, multiple videos on YouTube, and just try to hesitate remove my fear or hesitation. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So it was a time around like 2017 and 18 when I was visited one of holy place, Haridwar, by myself only. I just took this trip by my own, and this is kind of like solo trip which I basically visited at that time. And I remember that I didn't have anything basically at the point, and basically I just taken one decision because my parents actually don't want to basically visit alone, but I have taken that decision to be went there. And yeah, it was a very great opportunity for me. Basically in the autumn season there is a very craze of going to that particular place which is Haridwar, and there most of people visited to this religious place, and I also want to go basically. And so yeah, over there basically particularly on a religious river, I just click one selfie from my phone. And actually this was around 2017 when I was too much young, and just taking this decision was absolutely amazing for me, because that is how like I'm going to start my career basically. After that I just took over like 18, and there is a lot of big decisions which I've taken. But yeah, these are the things which improve the personality basically. And there's you will get to know like outside world as well. I met a lot of people throughout this journey, and along with that, this particular selfie reminds me regarding a lot of friends which I made by myself alone. And yeah, and after coming back, I just save that particular picture because I know I will not get this kind of situation in the life basically. And I just have that picture myself, and whenever I saw that, I just uh, basically proud of myself because I am able to get the decision. After that particular time period, I just visited that place every year, like but continuously three. I just visited three times. But the things which is most important is taking that particular action while everyone is saying to you, no, you cannot go. And but yeah, if you believe in yourself and if you know what you are doing, that is what most important in every field. So that is how basically I just click this picture, and whenever I saw this picture, I just remind myself that you have taken a good decision. So this is all about the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you understand like how it is separated you from the peoples who are thinking and who are taking action. Because there are a lot of peoples who are thinking only, just not taking the action. But you need to take action then after thinking. That is what most important, and that is how I think basically. So in this particular video, that is it. And if you want to basically improve your confidence, so you can watch my videos over that. I have spoken in on the multiple cue cards, and I'm also a beginner. And yeah, you can understand like how a beginner get the situations right. So that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.